Hey, how's it guys? It's me Cesar and welcome to another tutorial. And today we're going to touch the application that turns your face in a very old form of yourself. You must have seen this on Facebook or Instagram that they posted a very old version of themselves, right? So let's go ahead and go to Google Play Store and type FaceApp. You can see this FaceApp AI face editor. So this app is quite popular. It has about 100 million downloads and with a 4.5 star rating, which is quite good. The size of the app is relatively small, 11 MB. So what this app can do is improve your selfie images or have fun changing your gender or putting makeup, growing a beard or hair. They got filters as well. You can change your hairstyle, hair color. You can have makeup for day or night. You can also put sunglasses. If you're not smiling, you can add smile. You can add filters, lens blur. And if you wish to have a tattoo, we can do it as well. But today, what we're going to do is to change our age to an older person of myself. I just would like to add that it contains ads and in-app purchases. So once you finish downloading the app, you open and it will start loading. So this to show you what you can create. You can turn your selfie into professional photos. You can add overlays, background, and you can have a drastic transformation of your hair, hairstyle, hair color, makeup, with makeup or no makeup. You can wear eyeglasses. You can change your age from old to a very young man or a woman. After hitting the next button, now we can click start, and then you allow access to your photos. Then it will look for selfies, or there's an icon here with a camera. Click that and allow access to the camera. Allow. Then it will find the face. Okay, let me just frame myself. Smile. Okay, so process that. Then it will give you options what you would like to be, like smile if you're not smiling in that photo, impression, but you have to pay for that. In-app payment if you would like to upgrade to Pro, age, beard if you want to grow beard, but change your hair color, hairstyles. That sunglasses, I'm sexy and I know it. Cool. Makeup for the Pro version. Change background, lens blur, filters, overlay, tattoo if you like to tattoo in the face, vignette, adjustment, crop. Okay, let's try the age version. Also, it's the original, old. But then hit that process. Oh my god, that's scary. It looks like, wow, it hit me like a ton of brick. It looks like my father, no, but right here in the mandible area, like there's more stuff there compared to my father. Then now we can hit share if you would like to share it to Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook, Messenger, Bluetooth, or just save it. Now to go to your save library, or let's go this, and then go to your gallery and just find the FaceApp folder, hit that, then you will see what you would look like, or the finished image. And then on this folder you can directly share that on Instagram or Facebook. Okay, let's do one more image. Let's try to see if it will be look similar. Maybe write this one. Okay, yeah, choose age, choose old. Oh yeah, does look the same. This looks a bit of my father, but a bit older than my father, so not looking forward to see myself. So hit apply, then I'll just save it. I'm not going to post it right now. So it's like my wife is at the background and a future of myself is right there. I don't think she will like me. Looks creepy. If you just imagine, they look like they are brothers. You know what I mean? One is older, one is younger brother. I think it's funny, but definitely you don't want to see yourself in this condition. Okay, let's enjoy ourselves at this stage right now. So I hope you like this video. Oh, I hope you learned something. I'm looking forward to use this more, like putting sunglasses or grow a hair on my head or beard. If you're new to the channel, please hit the like button, subscribe. If you dislike this video, it's up to you. Leave a comment. Thank you so much for watching. This is Cesar. I'll see you on the next video. Have a good one.